6 plant-based foods. Rich in calcium and beneficial. For bone health. Almonds, they are a great source of calcium. Providing 260 milligrams calcium per cup. They provide healthy fats and proteins, supporting overall bone health. Chia seeds, just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, contain around 179 milligrams of calcium. Tofu. It provides 350 milligrams of calcium, per half cup. Kale. It provides 180 milligrams of calcium per cooked cup. Broccoli. It offers 62 milligrams of calcium per cooked cup. Sesame seeds. 0.1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, contains about 88 milligrams of calcium.